Hello students, today we are going to do a practice set 1.4 of a similarity. But before that, you need to know this theorem of areas of similar triangle. What does this say? When two triangles are similar, that means if these two triangles are similar given, okay, this is a given part here, that is what is given here, that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If it is given, then the ratios of areas of those triangles, ratios of areas of two triangles means what? That is the triangle ABC. We are talking about the ratios, so we need to write it upon triangle PQR. Okay, the ratio of areas of those triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Corresponding side means what? AB is, what is this? AB's corresponding side is what? PQ here. So we write it AB upon PQ, but what they have said, the ratio, we have written the ratio of the squares. Squares means we consider this square and this square. Like this, all the corresponding sides. So we have written for only one side here, AB and PQ. We will write for the other sides also, that is BC square upon QR square. And one more side we have, that is AC square upon PR square. I hope you understood what does this theorem says. So when you can apply this theorem? When the triangles are similar. Okay, when the triangle is similar, then we will get it this one. This is given, this will be getting for you. Practice set 1.4. The ratio of, first sum, the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. See, you can see the wordings here, similar triangle. Then we can apply the theorem of areas of similar triangle. Is 3:5. That means the corresponding sides ratio is given as a 3:5. Find the ratio of their areas. So what we will do, we will write it here. Let the corresponding areas of two triangles be A1 and A2. And for the sides, we will write it S1 and S2. So what I have written, let the corresponding areas of two triangles be A1 and A2 and the corresponding sides is S1 and S2. So we are, what has been given here? The two triangles are similar given. Okay. So we are writing here, two triangles are similar. So now we will write the formula. What does the theorem says? That is A1 upon A2. The ratios of the areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So that is S1 square and the triangle, the another side, that is S2 square. S1 square, that is side 1 square and side 2 square we consider here. Okay, so now we don't know what is A1 upon A2, we don't know, but the ratios are given here. What is the ratios given as? 3:5. Okay, so we will consider here 3 square upon here 5 square. So what you will get it here? 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. So what did we get the ratios of the two triangles here? Find the ratio of their areas they have said, that is 9:25. We will write it here. So we write here, what is that ratio of their areas? So the ratio, answer part we will write it, the ratio of their areas is 9:25. Clear? Here I forgot to say this thing. After writing this formula, you have to write the reason as what? Theorem on areas of similar triangle. Next question, if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, AB is to PQ is 2:3. Fill in the blanks. They have given that it is similar. As I told you already, if it is given similar, we can apply the theorem of areas of similar triangle. Now what is the ratios of the areas of two triangles? ABC and triangle PQR. And we have learnt about the square, the ratios of their squares of their corresponding sides. So AB square, you can see the AB square, they have taken the first two sides here. the first two letter AB. So we can, by looking at the triangle itself, we can identify we need to take what? PQ the square, the sides here. Okay, so AB square is how much it is. You see, you can have the hint also here. That is AB upon PQ square here. That is 2 square, 3 square. 2 square, how much you will get it? That is 4. So what did we get? 4. We need to just fill in the blanks here. Okay, so this is the one more box. It has been given here. I have filled up here. So, understood? Fourth question. A triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. See, it is given similar. So, we can apply theorem of areas of similar triangles. 9 into area of a triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of a triangle LMN. If QR is 20, find MN. So, it is asked the corresponding sides here, right? So, what we will do? First, we will write it what is given here. That is triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. Once we have written this one, then we will write it 9 into area of a triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of a triangle LMN. See, this is given in the product form, that is. So, we will put it in the ratio form, that is area of a triangle PQR. I am bringing this triangle, area of a triangle. This is in multiply form, brought here in the division form. Triangle LMN equals to, see, once we do a cross multiplication, we should derive this 16 into area of a triangle LMN and 9 into area of a triangle PQR. See, you can cross check it. 9 into area of a triangle PQR, 16 into triangle area. That means we have written perfectly. Then, so what is the ratios of the area? 16 is to 9. Now, as the triangles are similar, can we say about the corresponding sides also? Yes. What do we say about our corresponding sides? That is area of a triangle PQR upon area of a triangle LMN equals to, what side is given here? QR, and ask for MN. So, we will see, you always check whether you are writing perfectly the corresponding sides. QR, okay, QR here is there, QR also. QR square upon MN square. So, what is the reason I have taught you? That is theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay, so once we have written this, then we will substitute here. So, what is area of a triangle? The ratios? 16 upon 9. So, I am writing here 16 upon 9 equal to QR square upon MN square. So, by looking at this immediately, what do you understand? That we can take a square root both the sides. So, we are taking square root both the sides here. Okay, once we are taking the square root both the sides, so what we are left with? What is the square root of 16? That is 4. And 9 square root is 3. And the QR square is QR and MN is MN. But do you know QR, we have got it what? QR as a what? 20. So can we substitute in this place? 20? Yes. 4 upon 3, 20 upon MN. So we will do a cross multiplications. I am writing here. So 4 into MN equals to 20 into 3. So what we will get it, that is MN equals to 4, MN into 4 na, so it will come here, and 20 into 3. Sorry, 4 here, sorry, 4 and 20. I repeat again, 4 into MN and 20 into 3. We'll cancel 4 5s are 20. So what do you get as a MN? They asked what, find MN. Can you see? Yes. So MN is 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay, we can write it simply. It's a 15 or 15 units. If you want, you can write it also. Clear?